UNESCO is making efforts to strengthen audio archiving and promotion of community radio stations. It is also at the forefront of promoting indigenous languages worldwide and has recognized the critical role of radio stations in promoting linguistic and cultural diversity. While speaking at the two-day capacity building workshop for Akashwani and community radio stations, CRS, held here today, UNESCO Advisor for Communication and Information for South Asia, Hezekiel Lamini, said the CRS can be a strategic partner in preserving and promoting indigenous languages. Meanwhile, Akashwani Zonal Office Guwahati Senior Official Azim Kazi said that for the last 75 years, Akashwani in Northeast has been preserving, promoting, safeguarding and revitalizing languages and culture besides promoting local dialects and literature.
It's a radio that gives access to the remotest part of the land and to the most disadvantaged member of our community. And therefore, community radio is a strategic partner in preserving and promoting indigenous languages.
From the beginning of Akashwani in Northeast, it's a history of 75 years. Akashwani in Northeast doing all the things, preserving, promoting, safeguarding and revitalizing not only Indian languages, not only indigenous languages, indigenous culture, everything which promoting cultural heritage, it's promoting dialects, it's promoting literature.